Energy Part 1. There will be 2 segments in Part 1 of energy, and we will look at the various forms of energy first. What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Living things need energy to carry out life processes. Examples of energy include light energy, heat energy, sound energy, electrical energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy. First, we have kinetic energy. An object possesses kinetic energy due to its movement. Any matter that moves has kinetic energy. The amount of kinetic energy depends on its mass and the speed of object. The greater the mass of the object, the greater its kinetic energy. A massive truck has higher kinetic energy than a small car moving at the same speed. The greater the speed of the object, the greater its kinetic energy. A car has higher kinetic energy when it moves at a higher speed. Uses of kinetic energy. It is used to move sailing boats, turn windmills, and rotate water wheel. Second, we have light energy. It is a form of energy that enables us to see. Sun is the main source of light energy on Earth. Uses of light energy. It is used for communication purposes, such as guiding planes and landing and takeoff. It is needed during photosynthesis and in camera flash. Third, we have heat energy. It is a form of energy that we can feel. The sun is the main source of heat on Earth. Heat energy always flows from region of higher temperature to region of lower temperature. Uses of heat energy. It is used to dry objects, when we cook food, and to sterilize equipment. Fourth, we have sound energy. It is a form of energy that we can hear. It is produced by vibrations of particles, and can only travel through solid, liquid, and gas and not vacuum. Uses of sound energy. It is used in our alarm clocks and for ultrasound. Lastly, we have stored potential energy. It is the energy an object possesses due to its position, shape, or state. There are 3 types of stored potential energy: gravitational potential energy, elastic potential energy, and chemical potential energy. Let's take a look at gravitational potential energy. The amount of gravitational potential energy is affected by the object's position. The amount of gravitational potential energy depends on the object's height, mass, and the gravitational field strength. The amount of gravitational potential energy an object has depends on its height from the ground. Both the red ball and green ball are identical in mass. The green ball has higher gravitational potential energy, as it is further away from the ground, compared to the red ball. The amount of gravitational potential energy an object has also depends on its mass. Both the red ball and green ball are at the same distance away from the ground. The red ball has higher gravitational potential energy as it is heavier than the green ball. The amount of gravitational potential energy also depends on the gravitational field strength. An astronaut on Earth has higher gravitational potential energy than on the Moon, since Earth has a higher gravitational field strength. Gravitational field strength is the force exerted by Earth, or Moon, on per unit mass of an object or person. Now, let's take a look at elastic potential energy. It is the energy stored when objects are stretched, compressed, or bent. For example, springs and bows have elastic potential energy. Spring A and B are identical and made of the same material. Each spring has the same length and same number of coils. Elastic potential energy stored in spring B is higher than of spring A, since it is more stretched. Lastly, we have chemical potential energy. It can be found in food, matters, and fuels. In the second segment, we will explore the various sources of energy. First, we have the sun. It is the primary source of light and heat energy. Most of the energy we use comes directly or indirectly from the sun. Energy from the sun is also known as solar energy. Solar panels trap solar energy and converts it into electrical energy. Black surfaces are better absorbers of heat, whereas white surfaces are pure absorbers of heat. Second, we have wind. Wind is moving air. Wind possesses kinetic energy. A wind turbine converts kinetic energy from the moving air into electrical energy. Third, we have running water. It possesses kinetic energy. It converts kinetic energy from the running water into electrical energy at hydroelectric power station. Lastly, we have oil, fuels, and natural gas. It contains chemical potential energy. Oil can be found in the seabed or on land. It can be converted to heat energy when burnt, and heat energy can be converted to electrical energy in a power station. Thank you for the effort to learn with me. Good job. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more interesting lessons from me. See you next time. Bye bye.